What's up guys, Adrian Amaral with 911 Gadgets. In today's video, I'm going to be fixing an iPhone 12 screen. I've heard a lot of people asking about these phones and repairing them and how hard is it and stuff like that. To be honest, people are doing it, so if people can do it, we can do it too, right? So here it is. This one has a line across right here, and that's what's bothering the customer, so we're gonna go ahead and replace it. I've seen some videos where you need to really heat it up and stuff. Let's just knock it out, see what happens, right? This is the first time I'm doing an iPhone 12 screen, so I'm gonna show you guys what my mental process is when I'm doing something I've never done before. Alright, so first you watch some videos, okay? I did watch some. I watched them like when they first came out. I haven't watched them today or a week or a month ago. But I do remember that they said you had to really heat them up. So let's go ahead. Now, guys, you should really watch the video before opening it, okay? I'm not doing it, but again, I'll take care of it, you know? Okay, and the same thing, man. If this screen was good, then I'd probably want to watch a video to see how I can save it. But this screen is not good. It has that line. Okay. Actually, guys, in newer phones like this, if the touch still works, you might want to save the screen so that you can use it for data recovery or something else. So let's try this. But I need to wear some gloves because it's pretty hot. And I can't remember if it opens the other way. I don't know. We'll see. We're about to find out. Okay. Guys, this was cake. Look at that. I didn't even break the screen. It still works. You see that? You just have to really heat it up good, alright? Now, which side does it open to? It opens to the left now. Ready? There you go. See, I remembered that much. So, there it is. It wasn't hard. I didn't break anything. Okay? Just make sure you heat it up really good. Just enough, okay? You guys saw how I kind of got discolored down here, but because of the heat. So, that color came back. Alright, now let's proceed to fixing this sucker. I don't know why people say it's so hard. Okay, I'm gonna put this box right here. Just because I don't know these phones yet. Okay, take my glove back off. And let's start. Where's the battery on this thing? Alright, so you go here, you trace it, and the battery is somewhere right here. So let's remove this battery connector. Okay, here's that. That's the shield over here. Battery is right here. Bam, there it is. I just unplugged it. Make sure there's no power. Alright, plug it, turn it on. Beautiful. Now a lot of people were talking about how if you change the screen, some certain things won't work. Well, we're gonna try it out, alright? We're gonna see. Guys, I didn't actually end up showing it in the video where I tested everything, but everything worked good. The speakers, the cameras, everything works, guys. Okay, so here's that, and then here's the screen connector, I believe. There you go. Here's another one. There you go. And lastly, I want to unplug. I'm going to take this shield off so we can unplug the Face ID or the speaker, whatever that is. So it looks like four screws. Okay, so this has a little side, so it goes in like this. You see down here? Let me show you guys. Right there, it goes in like that. See? It goes in. So be careful. So I'm gonna take it out. See? There you go. When you put it back in, it goes in like this. It latches onto it. I can literally lift the whole phone with this plate. Latches on right there, okay? Okay, so now let's unplug that. And there it is. There's the screen. Put the phone to the side. Grab the screen. We're using an in-cell model on this one. They didn't want to do OLED. So here it is. Okay, make sure that the cable. Sometimes when the screens are newer, when the phones are newer, there's different steps to these things, right? Like right here. See, you got to make sure that the cables are sitting in the same direction, are layered the same. That way, when you go to plug it in, it's not difficult. Okay. See, like right here, for example. You see? You have to double check. This is the one I just removed. You see, the fatter one, the bigger one is on top, and this one is not. You see, so you'll be confused when you're trying to plug them in. So here's this, and you're gonna want to put the fatter one on top of the skinny one, and there you go. See, now it's you'll be able to plug it in nicely. A lot of people freak out when it doesn't match. Oh, it doesn't work. It's the wrong screen, or no, it's just that it's wrong. You gotta make sure everything's good. So there's that. Everything else is good. Let's transfer the top. What is it? Alright. Oh, they've replaced. No wonder, guys. Something's wrong with this phone, man. They've, looks like they've replaced it before. Okay. Yeah, see, it's missing a screw right there in the top corner. So that one was a tri-tip, and the next one is a Phillips. Okay, and then this top one should be a tri-wing. I said tri-tip, like the meat, the beef. Okay, put that there. Okay, so let's see what this is like. Okay. All right, I'm gonna heat it up just to be safe. Get my tweezers, and just to be safe, I'm gonna try to pry it carefully. Remember, guys, this is my first time doing this one, so you guys can see how careful you need to be when you've never done something. Look at the other. Okay, looks like it's all the way from here. See, there's a sensor right there. Heat it up some more, guys, because this is getting scary. Okay, there's that piece. Okay, yeah, that piece is a little tricky, but we got it all out. Okay, that's that. Let's take off these little protective films. And let's plug this thing back in here. And we'll start with this little square. I always start with this microphone right there. See that one? Just put that microphone in there. That right there. Alright, cool. Then we can stick this one in here. There it is. And then the rest will just fall into place. That sensor right there. There it is, that prox sensor. And we should be good, guys. Beautiful. Just close it up. Okay, never mind. There it is. I got it in, guys. Here's another one. And lastly, we've got this Phillips. Alright, so we're ready to install the screen. Let's bring our phone back. We'll install this top part first. There's that. Let's install the screen, or plug in the screen. And then plug in the battery. And turn it on real quick, okay? There it is, guys. Let's start putting the shield back on. Typically, you want to make sure everything's off, but me, I like to do it like this, alright? And that's just me. I tell you guys to turn things off, just so you the less risk of you breaking stuff. Okay, I forgot. These are tri-wing Mercedes tip. Get these screws in there. Okay, got that one. Now we got one more shield and we're good. This is even easier than the 11s, guys. Always make sure you don't lose the orientation of these shields, alright? So it's easier for you guys to put things back together. Okay, now right here is a little dangerous. You see there's this that connector over here. You gotta be careful with that one, alright? Don't stretch it out too much or else it will tear. Okay, you see this connector right here? Let me show you guys. That connector right there, alright? It's that one for the speaker or whatever. Yeah, be careful because it's easy to tear that one, I can tell. See? Don't put this part of the screen past the frame. Look. You see? Don't put it past the frame that way because then it's going to tear it. So keep it down here on this side. Right, like this. See? Move it in. You see this gap right here? Leave it in like this a little bit if you can. As you're putting the rest of the screws, okay? All right, those two screens are in. Make sure everything's lined up properly. The cables right here, make sure that they're not hitting anything. There it is. Beautiful. All right, good to go, guys. Let's just close it up. Beautiful. So there you have it, guys. This is how you replace the screen on an iPhone 12. And this is how I do stuff when I've never done it before. I watch some videos and hope for the best, but you got to be very, very careful. You got to pay attention to details, just like that one cable. You know, I could have ripped it right there, but I paid attention to the strain it was getting from me moving the screen certain ways. If you guys want to learn how to open your own cell phone repair shop, if you guys want me to help you, there's different programs that I have. The main program that I have that's helped over 550 people now to this day and counting. I've got to say it's been over 600 or 700 people, but only 550 joined the Facebook group. So if you guys want to learn, go to 911gadgets.com/cell phone repair training. Get the 5-day curriculum. If you guys want a one-on-one training, then we can do that as well. But please get that today. Help yourself. Trust me, the $40 is way worth it. The group alone is worth it. Okay, a lot of people say that the curriculum is gold, but just having the group there to talk to every day, any questions you have, I'm there. That itself is worth, it's like thousands of dollars right there, just because you have somebody there always. Okay. So if you guys like this video, please like it and subscribe and turn on the notifications so you guys can see when I upload new videos. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you next time. Peace out.